Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got an incredible product that's an absolute game changer for all you car enthusiasts out there. If you're tired of those pesky water spots and streaks ruining your car's finish, then you're in for a treat. We're diving into the Platinum Quick Dry Microfiber Towels for cars, and I can confidently say, these are the best microfiber towels for auto detailing on the market. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes these towels from Platinum Shield so exceptional. First off, these towels are designed with one goal in mind: efficient car drying. Whether you have a car, truck, motorcycle, van, RV, or SUV, these extra-large microfiber towels are here to make post-wash drying a breeze. You'll achieve a spotless finish while preventing scratches and streaks on your vehicle's surface. And guess what? They're not just for drying. These microfiber cloths are a versatile addition to your car care arsenal. You can use them for polishing, cleaning interiors, and even drying before applying car wax. The secret behind their performance? High-grade microfiber that offers exceptional water absorption, ensuring quicker drying and a spot-free finish. Now, here's the deal sealer. This pack includes not one, but two of these fantastic towels. You'll be prepared for thorough yet efficient car washes and detailing with optimal coverage and efficient results. But what about durability? Well, these microfiber drying towels are designed for long-lasting performance. So you can count on them for reliable, scratch-free drying every time. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. These towels have received glowing reviews, with customers praising their softness, absorbency, and overall value for money. With an impressive 4.6-star rating and thousands of happy customers, it's clear that these Platinum Quick Dry Microfiber towels are a must-have for any car enthusiast. And the best part? They won't break the bank. You can get this set of two for just $39.95, which is a fantastic deal for the quality you're getting. So there you have it, folks. The Platinum Quick Dry Microfiber Towels for cars, your ultimate companion for achieving a flawless finish on your vehicle. Say goodbye to water spots and streaks and hello to a spotless shine. Don't miss out on this incredible car care essential. If you want to grab your set of these amazing microfiber towels, check out the link in the video description below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.